Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to submit a break with the study boards. First, we need to find your profile. For that, go to the left upper corner of the main page on your dashboard. Right here on the left, open up your profile. In the middle of the page, you will find the feature Request Break. Open it up. And to request a break, you need to put a number of days. Let's say we need 5 days for our break and provide the reason for it. Tap the Request for Break button here at the bottom. And that's it. Make sure you submit the break only when you're ready for it. So don't do it in advance. Breaks need to be approved by mentors. And once they are approved, they cannot be canceled. Keep that in mind. The break feature is available only for premium board members. And this feature can only be used if you are not overdue in doing your tasks. So good luck with it and see you in the next video.